Go on.
She might scratch your, you don't mind?
Come on, go see Tyler. Say, come here, Daisy.
Boom. Oh, Dad, that's so heavy.
Is it? Help me.
Bam. Bam. Could I come in?
Can he come in?
Yeah.
Still there. Europe's busiest airports among the latest.
Yep, this is my new truck.
Let me get in and you can give me a quick tour.
Okay, this is the inside of the truck. Let's see, here's the gear shifter. Both passenger and driver temperature controls, so each one can have their own temperature that they like. Six-piece CD changer. What else? Oh, here's my little things where I can answer my cell phone by using the steering wheel, and it goes through the speakers of the cars. So I can just have my phone sitting here, and I can do all the answering and calling from here. Just press this button and say call Steph. Got a power driver's seat. Got cloth seats because I don't like leather. And it's got a temperature gauge up here along with
Let me move up here.
oh, here's something that you'll like, Dad. Watch this. When I put the truck in reverse, I get a little display up here in my rearview mirror. There's a camera in the back of the truck.
Do you see Tyler back there?
No, I don't think he's back there. But I got a little camera in the back of the. This is for where you when you're backing up to hook up to your tow trailer.
Wow.
That's pretty cool, huh? It only works in reverse.
Let me see, turn it off. How to repair something.
Now I put it back into park and it displays. Back into reverse, my camera pops on.
Wow.
It's pretty cool. The back seats. Let me turn this off. Let me show you the back seats. The back seats, they can slide up like this. They can also recline. You can have them straight or recline, depending on who's back here. And here's the air conditioner and heater for the passengers in the back of the truck. So that's pretty cool. A little thing from the plug in their games or whatever. The center console. This is for the cup holders in the back. And let me show them where the window in the back goes down. Okay, there's a button for the rear window. I'm going to raise it back up now. You don't see that too often in trucks. I think this is the only one that does it. And oh, here's a button here where I can adjust the level on my headlights. It automatically levels the headlights based on because if you're towing something, then the rear of the truck goes down, you need to adjust your level on your lights. And another thing it has, which is pretty cool, is, where is that at? I think I get used to everything still. It has a light for the rear. I think that is right here. So if I press this button, it's got a light for the back cab. I can control all my radio stuff here. And it also has a satellite antenna on the top of here, on top of the car, so I can listen to satellite radio if I want to. And here's got more gizmos for plugging in stuff. Here's something if you want to program, put in a Bluetooth device or a USB device for listening to music. Center console. You can fit a laptop computer in here, and there's a little electrical charger in here also. If you want to charge up your phone or your laptop or something. And right here, you can see 14.3 miles a gallon. That's what I'm averaging driving around the city, which is not that good. Well, it's a average for a truck. And that's about it for the interior of the car. Here, let me show you the engine real quick. We're going to go out and look at the engine.
You guys want to drive?
No, I'm giving Grandpa Chuck a tour.
You got it on?
Yep.
Okay, there's a 5.7 liter V8. Looks pretty good. It's got an extra radiator for when you're hauling stuff, for your transmission. Got a heavy duty battery, heavy duty alternator, and it's pretty well built. It's got hydraulics for the hydraulic lifters for the hood. That's about it. Got fog lights. Got my fog lights here. Got a little hookup here in case I want to pull someone out of a ditch. Or someone towing me out of a ditch. You got running boards here for easy step up. You got handles to grab when you get up in the truck. Here, bring it over here. Here's my tow hitch. It's where you put your thing in, where you can put in your ball. Got two types of power here for your trailer, for whatever connector you're using. There's a 4-pin, and I'm not quite sure what that one is. And right here's the little backup camera that we were looking at before. It's built in right here, points straight down. And this keyhole here, there's a little keyhole here where I put the key in, turn it, and then I put a little handle through here and it lowers the spare tire. Just like this, it rolls the spare tire down. Right in through here. Here's a view from the other side of the truck. It's a big truck. And that's about it for the tour of my new truck.